Welcome to Uplivity, the channel that fuels your adventurous spirit. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of thrill-seeking. Get ready for 7 adrenaline-pumping adventures every thrill-seeker must experience. Let's jump right in. Experience the rush of skydiving, soaring through the clouds, feeling the wind on your face as you freefall towards the earth. Take a leap of faith with bungee jumping, plunging towards the ground before being jerked back up at the last moment. Conquer turbulent rapids and navigate roaring rivers with the thrilling adventure of whitewater rafting. Soar through the treetops with the excitement of ziplining, feeling the wind in your hair as you zip from platform to platform. Dive into the ocean and come face to face with sharks through exhilarating shark cage diving. Experience the adrenaline rush of mountain biking, speeding down rugged trails amidst breathtaking landscapes. Scale towering cliffs and reach new heights with the exhilarating sport of rock climbing. And that concludes our journey through 7 adrenaline-pumping adventures every thrill-seeker must experience. Which adventure has ignited your sense of adventure the most? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, embrace the thrill and keep seeking new heights of excitement. Stay tuned for more adrenaline-fueled content on Uplivity.